In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Squarespace navigation font. First, we're going to begin by heading over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic happens, and finding your way around is the first crucial step. Once you've landed on the Squarespace homepage, you'll want to click on the Get Started button. This sets you on the path toward making changes to your site. It's a simple click, but it is key in accessing your dashboard. After clicking Get Started, you will be smoothly redirected to your dashboard. It's like the control center of your website, the place where the possibilities for customization are virtually endless. In the dashboard, you need to select the website you're working on. This ensures that the changes you're about to make will apply to the correct site. Now that you're all set in the dashboard, the next stop is the Site Styles. Click to open this section, and then you should see an arrow, almost like a prompt, inviting you to delve deeper. Click on the arrow next to Fonts, which unlocks more options where the real customizing can begin. Inside the Fonts section, you'll find the option to Assign Styles. Go ahead and click on this. Think of it as determining the fashion sense of your website's text. Now, you're ready for the section titled Site Navigation. Click on this, as it will directly affect the text you see in your site's main navigation. To change the font, click on Style and select Custom. You'll encounter a world of fonts before you, with choices ranging from playful scripts to clean sans serifs. Depending on your site's aesthetic, you can choose a new font family, adjust the weight to make it bolder or lighter, alter the style, and tweak other font details to your liking. Once you've curated the perfect look, don't forget to click Save to ensure all these changes are successfully implemented. If you're also considering adjusting the font size, you'll want to focus next on size settings. Click on Size, where you'll find options to choose a standard paragraph size or go for custom if you prefer a unique appearance. For customized size, you can manipulate the slider to set your desired size or enter a new rem value manually if you're seeking precision. After all adjustments are satisfactory, ensure that you hit Save to keep those changes intact. There you have it, a seamless way to change the navigation font on your Squarespace site, resulting in a more personalized and polished look. Thanks for joining today, and happy designing!